As the Government of Assam Secondary Education notified the standard operating procedure for partial resumptions of schools and colleges for 9 to 12 standard, classes have resumed from today at different schools and colleges in Diphru also. However, as part of notification, the other lower primary schools are continuing to remain in suspension. The likes of DAV Higher Secondary School, Rengbonghom School and Chandra Singh Teron High School have resumed the classes from today. In fact, Diphru Government College have also restarted the classes from today, where of course protests were held for extension of admission seat just a couple of days back. So it seems like all the numbers of government school have resumed the classes from today. Of course, as the procedures that has been made partially for resumptions of classes is now the classes have been divided into two batches. First batch of students will come at school at 9 a.m. and they will be there at the school till 12 p.m. And for second batch of students, classes will be from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Also, now the government have restricted the numbers of teaching and non-teaching staff to 50%. And another guideline that has been made for the interest and for the interest of students, especially for 11th to 12th standard students, is that the counseling session will be conducted twice in a week, and that will be on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. In the same manner, the same session will also be conducted for 9 to 10 standard students on Tuesday, Thursday and Friday. In fact, the partial guideline is made for 15 days subsequently, and this may be modified after observing the situation for 15 days. As far as the private institution is concerned, we haven't been reported from any of the school functioning today. The likes of Don Bosco, Mount Calvary, Badan Memorial, St. Mary's and Presbyterian schools, these are some of the non-governmental schools which we see no resuming till today. Maybe they are waiting for the situation and want to see the outcome of resumptions of government as provincialized institution. I cannot tell you what really the situation is to be in the days to come, but what we can tell you right now is that many schools have resumed the classes from today.